Hello students, I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Today I am going to discuss JEE Mains September 2020 question and answers in tangent and normals. Tangent and normals. See the first question, what they are given. So I am going to discuss 4 questions, 2 numerical value type questions, 2 MCQ questions. See the first question. If the tangent to the curve y is equal to f of x is equal to x into log x to the base a at point c comma f of c is parallel to the line segment joining the points 1 comma 0 and e comma e. First, take the curve y is equal to x log x to the base e. Do the differentiation. What we get? dy by dx, that is equal to, so here uv rule, x is constant, log x derivative 1 by x plus log x to the base e is constant, x derivative is 1. So these two cancel. Now I am going to find slope of tangent dy by dx at point c comma f of c. So at x is equal to c I am taking, because right hand side only x terms are there, that's why. So 1 plus log x to the base c. So substitute here at x is equal to c, we get 1 plus log c to the base c. This is slope of the tangent. The tangent is parallel to other line segment. So in that line segment, I am taking the point A is 1 comma 0 and let B is equal to E comma E. Now here we need to find slope M, slope of AB. What is the formula? E2 minus, sorry, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. We know that two lines are parallel means slopes are equal. These two slopes are equal. Now 1 plus logarithm of c to the base e, that is equal to e by e minus 1. Here we need to find c value. Here they are asking c. Okay. Now logarithm of c to the base e is equal to e divided by e minus 1 minus 1. Now see, overall we get 1 by e minus 1. By using logarithmic definition, c is equal to e power 1 by e minus 1. This is the answer, c value. C value we got e power 1 by e minus 1. Students, which option correct? Third option. This is a very easy question, but remember it. Two lines are parallel means slopes are equal. This is M1. This is, you have to think, M2. So take that M1 is equal to M2. Then you will get C value. Okay. Till now, who are not subscribed my channel, subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. Click on bell icon. Whenever I will upload, you'll get first notification. Okay, right. Second question. Which of the following points lie on the tangent to the curve at the point 1 comma 0? Here we need to find first equation of tangent, then verify the options. You will get the answer. Okay. So first do the differentiation. This is a given curve now. Do the differentiation. X power 4 is constant. E power y differentiation. E power y into y dash plus E power y is constant. x power 4 derivative 4x cube plus 2 into root y plus 1 derivative 1 by 2 root y plus 1 internal derivative of y dash, that is equal to 0. These two cancel. Here observe that where is y dash? Here and here, these two places. So take y dash common. Then what is remaining? X power 4 e power y plus 1 by root y plus 1, that is equal to remaining terms and right hand side minus 4 x cube into e power y. Now y dash, how much? Minus 4 x cube e power y divided by x power 4 into e power y plus 1 by root y plus 1. Now here we need to find slope of tangent at point. What is the point? 1 comma 0. Substitute x is equal to 1 and y is 0. So x is equal to 1, y 0 means numerator we get minus 4. Denominator 1 plus 1 by 1, 2. That value should be minus 2. We got slope of tangent is minus 2. Now, how to find equation of tangent? Equation of tangent is, what is the formula? Y minus, y1 means 0, m into x minus x1. This is, those values send left hand side, 2x plus y is equal to 2. So observe that which point can be satisfied. So I am going to verify that point C minus 2 comma 6. Substitute here minus 4 plus 6, that's equal to S. It is satisfied. C point is satisfied. So correct answer C. Third option correct. Okay, right. So I'm going to another question. This is easy question only. Easy question only, but calculation do carefully. Differentiation. Second question, that means third question. This is a numerical value type questions. If the tangent to the curve y is equal to e power x at the point c comma e power c, and normal to the curve y square is equal to 4x at point 1 comma 2, intersect at the same point on the x-axis. On the x-axis, y coordinate 0 or not, right? In that basis, we can find. Okay, first, take the curve y is equal to e power x. Do the differentiation, what we get? Y dash, that is equal to e power x differentiation, e power x only. Now, slope of tangent at point, what is the point? C comma e power c, that means x value c. Substitute here e power c. Equation of tangent. Equation of tangent. What is the formula? Y minus y1. y1 means e power c, that is equal to m into, that means e power c into x minus c. This is okay. Next, go to second curve. What they are given second curve? Y square is equal to 4x given. Do the differentiation. 2y into y dash, that is equal to 4. Slope of tangent dy by dx at point 1, 2. How much? 2 2s are 4. We are getting 2 by y. Y means how much? 2. That's equal to 1. Now slope of normal. Slope of normal. How much, students? That is -1. Now find the equation of normal. Equation of normal. Y minus y1, that is equal to m into x minus x1. See the calculation. X plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. These two curves, this is 1, this is 2. Two curves intersect at the same point on the x-axis. On the x-axis, we know very well y coordinates 0. Here also y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 means then what is x, students? X plus 0 minus 3 is equal to 0. Then what is x value? 3. 3. Now y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. Both the points substitute here. Then we get c value. Then we get c value. 0 minus e power c is equal to e power c into 3 minus c. E power c cancel. -1 is equal to 3 minus c. Then what is c value? 4. This is the answer. This is also very easy question, but equation of tangent, equation of normal, and slope of tangent, slope of normal, both are intersecting at same point on x-axis. On x-axis means y coordinates 0. Remember it, that condition, you will get the answer easily. Okay, so correct answer is 4. So here you can write 4.00. Next, second question in numerical value type. Overall, fourth question. Read the question. Let the normal at point P on the curve intersect the y-axis. The normal at a point P on the curve intersect the y-axis at 0, 3 by 2. If m is slope of the tangent at P, slope of tangent at P to the curve, then modulus m is equal to. This is the question. How to do that? First, to take the curve and do the differentiation. Y square minus 3x cube. This is 3x square, sorry. Plus y plus 10 is equal to 0. Now apply the differentiation with respect to 2x. 6x y dash is equal to 0. Y dash take common and we get 2y plus 1. That is equal to 6x. Now slope of tangent dy by dx at point P x1 comma y1. What we get? 6x1 divided by 2y1 plus 1. This is. Now equation of normal. Equation of normal. What is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m. This is a m. So we get 6x1 divided by 2y1 plus 1 into x minus x1. But these normalies intersect the y-axis at 0, 3 by 2. That means this line is passing through 0 comma 3 by 2. Substitute in place of x and y, not in place of x1, y1. Okay. So here we get 3 by 2 minus y1. So 2, 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 6. X1 means 0 into x minus, sorry, 0 minus x1. Up to here we got. Then how to do remaining part? Denominator completely 0. Send right hand side, it is going to 0. Next, here, take LCM. So you'll get minus 5x1. Then x1 is equal to 0. X1 is equal. And here we are done mistake. What is the mistake means? 0 comma 3 by 2, we need to substitute in place of x and y, not x1, y1. Yes or no? So numerator we get minus of 2y1 plus 1 divided by 6x1. This is. Now this value is completely 0. Okay. So minus into minus plus, at the time x1 cancel. Next, here 6 take cross multiplication, 9 minus 6y1 minus 2y1 minus 1. 8y1, that is equal to what we get, students? This is a minus 8y1. No, this minus into minus plus, no, right, this is a minus 8y1, or you can take like this, plus 1 send left hand side, you will get 8 is equal to 8y1. In this case, what is y1 value? 1. Y1 is 1. Then what is x1? This point lie on the curve. Lie on the curve. Yes or no? So y square, that means y1 square minus 3x1 square plus y1 plus 10 is equal to 0, because the point px1 comma y1 lies on the curve. Y1 is equal to 1. Substitute here. 1 minus 3x1 square plus 1 plus 10 is equal to 0. Here, by calculation, x1 square value is 4. Then x1 is equal to plus or minus 2. Plus or minus 2. But here we need to find slope of tangent. Where is the slope of tangent? This is only. So m is equal to, substitute here x1 and y1 value, 6 plus or minus 2 divided by 2y1, 2 into y plus 1. Overall, observe this, we get plus or minus 4. But here they are asking modulus m. Modulus m. So modulus of m, that is equal to modulus plus or minus 4, that is equal to 4. 4 is the answer. Previous problem also we got answer 4 only. So finally this is 4.00. Okay. Students, are you understood now? Thank you.